Most microphone reviews happen at the desk. Mine happens here, in the restaurant, in the streets of Astana, and in the coffee shop. This is the DJI Mic Mini tested in the real world. Here we have two windscreens in the box, gray and black, and also splitter cable, camera, audio cable, everything for connecting to your phone or camera. One receiver, look how small this thing is, fits in your pocket, you won't even feel it. And also one transmitter, a magnetic clip so it stays on your shirt. Here's charging dock and USB-C for the receiver. That's the whole kit. Nothing missing, nothing extra. So this is a DJI Mic Mini, compact, wireless, and honestly it looks good. I ordered this because my iPhone mic just wasn't cutting it anymore. So there's a background is so noisy and people around are talking, music, and this is how it sounds right now. And of course also we could edit, manipulate sounds like this. And for now it's -6. That's mean Mini could get my voice without any noise. It should be quiet. So for now it should be quiet. And so of course for now you can hear more noise, like music, anything. So it's good. Also we can use, it's actually a windscreen, yes. So okay, lunch is done. Now I'm walking through the city center, and this is a real test. Wind, traffic, and city noise. That's everything is microphones hate. This is how it sounds right now. Walking outside, sorry, it's with winds. On the outside is so windy. It's perfect test. And now outside noise will be less. Okay, can you hear me? After the street test, I'm heading inside the shopping mall. Completely different acoustic environment, closed space, air conditioned, crowds. Let's see how the mic handle this. I'm grabbing the coffee. So guys, now we are at the mall. Around us a lot of people, noisy. I think it sounds good. And this is the last acoustic test for DJI Mic Mini and a cafe different from the restaurant. Here is the place, more smaller space, different sound, and espresso machine in the background. This is how it sounds right now. Three location, three different acoustics, and honestly, for this price point, I didn't expect it to perform this well. I couldn't leave without trying something and grabbed donut and smoothie. Honestly, it's solid choice. So, is the DJI Mic Mini worth it? Honestly, yes. It's small enough to carry anywhere, and the setup takes 5-10 seconds. And actually, I think for a creator who films in real life, not in a studio, these things make sense. I'll be using it every video from now. If you're thinking about upgrading your video, this is a solid starting point. So I'm Kasim. Subscribe if you want to follow the journey, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.